Hey everyone, it's Elena here. If you've been dealing with nerve pain, that burning, tingling, or numbness in your hands or feet, then this might be exactly what you've been hoping to find. Let me introduce you to Arialief, a natural, research-backed formula designed to relieve nerve discomfort fast, while also supporting long-term comfort and wellness. Now listen, unlike many other supplements out there that only mask the symptoms, Arialief is all about supporting your body from the inside out. It's made with powerful science-backed ingredients like magnesium, alpha-lipoic acid, butcher's broom, and others, all carefully chosen to support healthy nerve function, calm inflammation, and provide your body the nutrients it needs to heal naturally. And here's the best part. The relief comes quickly. Many users report that they feel real improvements not only in their pain levels, but also in their daily comfort, mobility, and even sleep. No more waking up in the middle of the night with burning feet or trying to ignore that constant tingling. But Arialief doesn't stop there. It goes beyond just pain relief. It also supports your metabolism, immune system, and helps promote overall long-term wellness. That means you're not just feeling better now, you're also building a stronger foundation for the future. What I personally love about Arialief is how safe, gentle, and easy it is to use. It's completely natural, non-habit forming, and made under strict quality standards. No stimulants, no harsh chemicals, just real, clean ingredients your body can actually use and benefit from. Now, if you're curious or even a little skeptical, I get it. Trying something new can feel like a leap of faith. But here's the thing. Arialief offers a full 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out 100% risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, you can get your money back, no questions asked. You'll also find exclusive discounts, the full ingredient breakdown, and real customer reviews on the official Arialief website. I've dropped the official link in the description. It's the first one you'll see. Don't fall for knockoffs. Always buy from the original site. So if you're ready to feel relief, get back to doing the things you love, and give your nerves the natural support they truly deserve, Arialief could be the next best move you make. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.